Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Upada Titi Banga. Today we come to Titi again.
Hi,
Whether there is Titi,
before
please.
going to the Titi, I have a question about the lifespan of the Rupa again, Sajado.
Yes.
Okay, so in the Paticcasamuppada Vibhangatakatha, we read the other day. So on page 150, right? There is another evidence. He showed the evidence of the Panchadara Vithi, right? And then in there is a sentence here, Etta Vata Dve Banga Pawangani Avajjanang and so on. But from what we learned. Yes, but from what we learned is that for the Panchadara Vithi, there are 3 Bhavanga, not 2. Why did he mention only 2 here, Sajado?
Yes, we have learned before Atita Bhavanga.
Yes.
One Atita Bhavanga, if the object is very obvious, Ati Mahada, even those one Bhavanga must pass, Atita Bhavanga.
Yes.
Well, here it did not mention about that Atita Bhavanga.
Yes. So if we add that Atita Bhavanga, then the lifetime is 17. It's not 16.
Yes, yes. If we add it, we get 17.
So does that mean that because the general acceptance is that the lifespan is 17, so the later teachers add that Atita Bhavanga to make it 17, Sajado?
I'm not sure what they also. This is still problem for me.
Right, because from what I learned, and that it says that when a rupa, like for example, like the rupa ramana, when it arises, then at the moment of it arises, then one bhavanga is already passed. So it takes one bhavanga for it to appear clearly. So we have to add that one bhavanga in there. So if that is the case, then in the Paticcasamuppada Vibhanga, then if we add one more, then it's 17. It's not 16.
If we add one more 60, but he doesn't add it. He doesn't say, he did not say anything here. He just says solasa, solasa. See?
So where did we get the information that there is Atita Bhavanga, Sajado?
I also did not get the information. So traditionally, we have learned that one traditionally. Here, actually now we did not see anything yet about Atita Bhavanga.
Yeah, it's very strange.
I also did not see any evidence for the Atita Bhavanga. Maybe I need to learn more. I need to read more books for this. But as far as I learned, you see, until now, I did not see the Atita Bhavanga from the original Pali.
Right.
But all the marks, we could say all the marks are talking about the Atita Bhavanga, and they also agree with the one. So here also we will see more concerning the different opinions. So we had different opinions concerning these things. So the authors, the commentators, commentators, they had different opinions. The related to the same the evidence. They give same evidence, but they argue each other there. Like a Katawatu, you know. Katawatu, they quote the same quotation, but they argued for that same the quotation. I also did not see the Adita Bwanka yet. But yeah, Bidamana Sankha, we see the Adita Bwanka. The Adita Bwanka, one Bwanka pass in Bidamana Sankha. So,
Yeah, that's very strange.
It is
And then, yeah, and then also, so please explain this paragraph again to us. So I don't understand what's the purpose of this paragraph.
Which paragraph?
It starts from Nahi. It is in the Tika, that we're reading right now. Last time we read it. This starts from Nahi Sakka Titikane Ewa Rupang Apa Tamagat Jati Ti Wotang and so on. I don't understand what he means. What he's talking about.
Which one? Mulatika?
Yeah, Mulatika. It's also in the paragraph of the Paticca Samuppada Vipangatta Kathayang and so on.
Jara Judi under a Pajimana Ramana. So, but Jidi does it in a Nahisaka, Titigane, Owa, Rupa, Apata Magajiti, Wato.
That part, I have.
Yes, Titakane, Rupa, Apata Magada. So the Rupa, the obvious or straight, the Pasada at Titigana, Nahisaka, Wato. So it cannot be said, or it is impossible to say the matter appear at Titikana.
Appear. So here, this the Apatama Gachati. Apatang is like the range or the sphere of something.
Apata Agachiti is try. You see, touch something touch. The matter touch with another matter.
So here it touched another matter,
Yeah, yes. Ruparamna Chakupasara. Ruparamna Chakupasara. Ruparamna touches as Sakupasara.
Okay.
There, there is Apata Magada. Agada.
Yeah. Yes. And then the Titikane is the existing moment of what,
The Titikane present moment, only present moment. Because we say Rupa or visible objects strikes at the insensibility at the present moment. We say not at the arising moment, not at the dissolution moment, only at the present moment. But Nahisaka Wato, it also cannot be said, he said here.
So here the existing moment of the Rupa, right,
Yeah, yes.
So the Rupa, so he said that it's not able to say that the Rupa strikes a sense organ only at the existing moment.
Yeah, he said like this.
Okay.
So later he did not agree with Titikana, this Muladika. Yes. Muladika did not agree with Titikana. Yes. That's why he used the word Ewa. Only the word Ewa. So that means Rupa construct the Pasada at the arising moment, at the solution moment also, not only at existing moment.
Yes. So here that's the Titikane Ewa Rupang Apa Tamagachati. It is in the quotations. Where did he get this quotation?
His own quotation, I think. Because many of the scholars agree with the TD. Only this Mulatika doesn't agree with the TD. Maybe the quotation, maybe he get this quotation, I don't know this quotation. So maybe in some places it is mentioned, Titikane Yewa Rupa Apata Magajadi, this sentence, but here, this where does this sentence come? I don't know. But this sentence must be anywhere. That's why he quotes this sentence. And he denied with this sentence.
Yes, and then the next sentence, Tatha hisati na rupasa ekadasawa panjade sawa chitakana atita. So what it means is that if it is so, then 11 or 15 mind moments of rupa are not past. That's what it means.
Sorry?
So how should we understand that sentence? Tatha hisati Narupasa ekadasawa panjade sawawa chitakana atita.
Rupasa ekadasa panjadana atita narupasa. Okay, please wait. If the matter strike pasada at the existing moment, you say here, if here tata he sati, if it strikes at the existing moment. So the last way of the rupa, here the rupa should be gone. 11 or 50. Not only 11, not only 15. The movement has gone. It's not only attack or effect. Atireka ekadasa over 11, over 50 must be gone.
Oh, okay, I see. So which means if it strikes at the existing moment, then there should be the arising moment. So that's why it should be more than 11 and 15. Oh, okay. Okay, and then.
So he said here, Pajadware, Chita Patasa Mewa. He also denied this one. Pajadware, Chita Patas Mewa Rupa Pasara Katedi. Apata Agachati, Pasara Katedi. These two words are the same, they have the same meaning. Yochia, if it is possible. If the matter strike pasada etitigana, only etitigana ipajadwara. So in Manodwara also, the rupa strikes pasada at upadagana, also at upadagana, at the arising moment.
But in the Manodwara Viti, then how can the rupa ramana strike the chakupasada? This is Manodwara Viti.
Not Chakupasara here, Apata Agachati, not Chakupasara. Actually, any object, the object that strike or that appear. So they appear at the arising moment, but for the rupa appear at existing moment. Yeah, Pajadwara appear at existing moment. If Pajadwara, the matter appears at existing moment. In Manodwara also, the object must appear at arising moment.
So which means it arises at the mind door at the arising moment. That what it means.
Yeah, yes, at the mind door. So the object, the obvious or the object appear at the arising moment in mind door, but at the fight door, the matter arise at existing moment. So different moments here.
Okay. And then he said that so this should be desired. This should be one.
Yeah, should be desired. So manodwari upara kanibi apata agajati. This also should be desired, to be desired.
Okay.
So if someone say ipajadwara, the matter strike the sincerity at the existing moment, it also can be said. It also can be said in manodwara, the matter appears at the arising moment. This meaning, the opinion also should be desired. So he want to say the manodwara, the matter, the strike, the manodwara, the at the arising moment. Pajadwara, the matter strike at existing moment. In manodwara, the matter strikes the object, you see, at the arising moment. So it should be taken like that. But this right here, nahi. He here, right. Why? Manodwara adida disu keji apata naga jadi. In manodwara, we do not have here. Manodwara adida disu the in manodwara, any object, whether adida, present, or the future, any object can the arise at the can arise there. What do you say? Agajati, na agajati. That means agajati. Two negative words here, two negative set. Na agajati. That means agajati. Manodwara adida disu kenji apata agajati. That is the reason. Because in manodwara, so any object, whether present, past, future, any object can appear there.
Okay. So in the yes. So in the sentence is above tatha, he sati naru passa and so on. It looks to me that when he says that sentence, he also denies the fact that the existence of the Atita Pawanga then. Right? Because if we think that there is Atita Pawanga, then in fact after one Pawanga, then the Rupa is already in the Titikana. Then it strikes the Titikana. I mean the Titikana of the Lord, for example, Jakupasana. So both of them are at the Titikana. So based on that sentence, he also denied the existence of the Atita Pawanga then.
Because here, Padyasamubhada Athakta distinguish, Pajadwara and Manodwara. So Pajadwara, 11, the thought moment has gone. In Manodwara, not 11, the 50 thought moment has gone. The Padyasamubhada Athakta distinguish these two. But according to him, the not only Epajadwara to be said, Ekadasa Jedakana Atita, Awasisa Paja Jedakana UK. So if Pajadwara, 11 thought moment has gone, 5 thought moments still remain, Epajadwara. So in Manodwara, 50 thought moment has gone, 1 thought moment remains. So Epajasmobada Atakta. He doesn't agree with that. He gave the reason here. Not only Pajadwara, but also Manodwara. Manodwara also, it can be said, 11th thought movement has gone, and what 11th thought movement has gone, a 5th thought movement still remain. You want to say so?
Yes.
See, Manodwara Pajadwara, he made the same. A Pajadwara, So his opinion here, a Pajadwara, 11th thought movement has gone before Brisanijada. According to him, Muladika, not only a Pajadwara, but also a Manodwara. A Manodwara also, 11th thought movement has gone before Brisanijada. Because Pradijasmopada Athagata said, 50th thought movement has gone before Brisanijada. A Manodwara. But according to him, not only a Manodwara, so the 11th movement has gone a Pajadwara. 11th movement has gone before Brisanijada, a Pajadwara. But a Manodwara, 50th movement has gone, he said. The Pradijasmopada Athagata said. But Muladika, they disagree with that. Muladika said, not only a Pajadwara 11th movement has gone before this study, but a Manodwara also 11th movement has gone before this study. Not only 50th movement has gone.
How is that possible? So, so in the Manodwara, then there should be only 11, right? Because we don't have a lot of Jittas there. There should be only 11.
So he said here, Manodwara Adida Disu Keji Apata Kachati. In Manodwara, whatever object can appear, they can appear anywhere. For example, Adita Bhuanga. So you have a Manodwara before Manodwara, a Adita Bhuanga. So the matter strike the object there, or the matter strike not only strike. You see the not the object. The matter is said the object. For example, by visible object. Visible object appear in Manodwara. So before Bhuanga Jarana Bhagupachira, there could be, you see, Adida Ramana, Adida Bhuanga there. Because here, Manodwara Adida Disu Keji Apata Kajati. So they could appear at any time. If they appear before Bhuanga Jarana Bhagupachira, so it can be said, Ekadasa, 11 has gone. Or Paja, the Pajadasa, 50 has gone. The 50 has gone, 11 has gone. 50 has gone, 11 has gone. Ekadasa 11 Manodwara. Yes, Manodwara, Ekadasa. No.
Yes, right. In Manodwara, then 11. In Panchadwara,
he agree. He just confirm, just confirm the Pradijasmopada. Manodwara 11. Yeah. 11 thought movement has gone in Manodwara. So he just confirmed that, he agree with that. Sorry. Manodwara cha ewa watan. Manodwara ekadasa chedakana adida. Awasisa paja chedakana yuke. So remaining pi thought process, 11 thought process has gone. Here the Pajadwara, the matter strike at the existing moment. But Emanodwara, the object strike at the arising moment.
But then he doesn't agree with the idea that in the Panchadwara, the rupa strike at the existing moment, right? So he does not agree with that.
He doesn't talk about that. He talk about the here only.
But that's what he said. He's not able to say that, right? So he said he's not able to say that rupa strikes a sense organ only at the existing moment. He said he's not able to say that.
Yeah,
right?
Yes.
Because he said that if that is the case, then the what is that? Not only 11 or 15 mind moments of rupa have passed, but there should be more.
Should be more, yes.
Than 11 or 15. Okay, and then I'm still not very clear the next sentence.
Pajadwara Manodwara. So if the matter strike Pajadwara at the existing moment, Manodwara also it can strike at the arising moment. That means Manodwara. Here the Manodwara related to Manodwara, what related to Manodwara, the object appear there. Manodwara. So it doesn't say Manodwara whether at present moment, existing moment. Pajadwara also did not say anything there. Pajadwara did not. The Padijasmupada Attakta did not say whether it arises, at the existing moment or whether it arises at arising moment.
Yes, yeah, it doesn't say anything.
Even if it just more by the attacker, it did not mention about this, did not mention about it, whether the matter arises at existing moment, whether it arises at present moment. It doesn't say anything. But here, Titikane Ewarupa Apata Akachati, this one must be anywhere, but I cannot say now where the sentence come from. I cannot say.
I just searched it, and this is the only place that sentence pops up.
So I will find later.
From somewhere, yeah.
Yes, I will find it later.
Yes.
So where does it come from? I will find. Okay, let's go to the next one.
Yes,
So we are talking about Upada Titi Panga, but Muladika does it like there is Titi moment, existing moment. According to him, there is no the existing moment. He gave many references. Yesterday, the day before, we had the references already. So the Upana Upaja Manadi Pankakane Upana Noja Upaja Mana. So Nupaja Mana, Nubanadi Pakakane Nupaja Mana Noja Nubana. So is that one? Is the Pripona with Visachane. So with the Buddha, the give the asa with complete, give complete asa also. The Buddha used Upadekane, Pankakane, no Titikane there. So when we come to Atikanta Wara also, the Buddha used Upadakana at Pankakana only, no Titikana. That's why, according to the Yamaka Cheta Yamaka Pali, the Mulatika considered there is no Titi at all. There are only two sub-movements, arises sub-movement and the solution sub-movement. So we go here to the next explanation. Doctor. Tika. Sutte supihi titasa anyatatta panyayati. Well, sutte supi. Chita satitikuna. Yeah, this paragraph. Sutte supi referred to Sankata Lakkhana Sutta. Sankata Lakkhana Sutta. Titasa anyatatta panyayati. In that sutta, Upado panyayati, Vayo panyayati, Titasa anyatatta panyayati. Three the sentences. Upado panyayati, the arising moment. The Bhattacika Sayadaw, they consider the meaning of panyayati to know. So the panyayati to be known. So upado panyayati, the arising moment is to be known, to be understood, to be known, to be known. The vaya, vayo, the dissolution moment also to be known. Titasa anyatatta panyayati, to be known, if we take to be known, or panyayati is obvious, we could say. But to be known, let's say to be known. Sutte supi hi titasa anyatata panyati di eta tasewa ekasa anyatata bhavato yasa anyatata panyati sa saditi titi di nasaga wato. So many Atthata Etika agree with the titi. They agree with the titi. They say there is titi. Now, referring to this sentence, Titasa anyatatta panyayati. Anyatatta means chenge, the chenge process. Titta, the existing dhamma. Titasa, the existing dhamma, of existing dhamma. Anyatatta panyayati is clear, is to be understood, to be changed. That means the Sakada Dhamma or the Dhamma are subject to change. So Upado Panyayati, Vayo Panyayati. Upada is obvious, Vaya also obvious. Titasa Anyatata Panyati. Titasa also obvious. The thing you see, Titasa, the existing of the Dhamma is also obvious. So that is general opinions. The general opinions, Upada is clear, Vaya is clear, and the existing of that one also clear. So pro existing to decay. the changing of the process is clear. That is the general opinion. But he said here, Tasewa Ekasa Anyatata Bhavato. So the how to say? Tasewa Ekasa Anyatata Bhavato. Anyatata Bhavato. There is no change of the titi. There is no change of titi. Yasa anyatata panyadi sa satiti titi nasaka voto. Here anyatata panyadi. The titi, the change of the titi is obvious. That titi referred to santity deity. The existence of the continuity. Sati titi here, the consistency or the existence of the continuity, not existence of the Dhamma, existence of the continuity. So the Nasaka Vato, it is possible to say. It is not possible not to say. Nasaka Navato. Nasaka Navato. That means Saka Vato. Nasaka Navato means Saka Vato. To say it is possible to say the existence of the continuity is changed to another process. So if we take so, Vajjamana wa Khanadvaya Samagatita. So Vajjamana, the Paramatha Dhamma, the existing Dhamma, only Paramatha Dhamma exists. So the Paramatha Dhamma, Vajjamana, the existing Dhamma has only two moments. So Khanadvaya Mewa, Upada e Banka. So according to him, Chittasa Anyatata Panyayati. This Chittata does not refer to the existing moment of any Dhamma here. That Chitta refers to the existence of the continuity. The continuity of the Dhamma can change. So for example, continuity of Kamacha Rupa, continuity of the Chitta Rupa. So Kamacha Rupa change to another Rupa. But here, especially the Buddha referring to the Nama, existence of the continuity of Loba, continuity of Dosa. That's clear, you know. So Loba to Dosa, Dosa to Loba. The process, the Loba, the only Loba you see the process will be the Loba arises again and again, that process. So Loba, for example, you like something, you are very pleased with something. If someone disturbs you, you get angry with someone. Then the continuity of the Loba changes to continuity of Dosa. This is Chittasa Anyatata Panyayati. Chittasa Anyatata Panyayati. This is the opinion of the Mulatika. That's why Mulatika considered the moment of the Nama or Rupa is only two. Present, exists, arising, and dissolution only. There is no existing moment. So existing moment cannot be changed. The existing moment cannot change from the nature to another nature, according to him. This is Mulatika.
So you said that according to him, that even for Rupa, there is no existing moment, Sanjana?
Yes.
Even for Rupa. But the lifespan of Rupa is, like, according to him, that 16 mind moments is very long.
Yes.
Then how can we determine the duration of the arising?
Yes, we need to discuss this.
Okay.
According to he is talking about the general opinion before. So according to general opinion, everyone believe there are three moments. he also discussed about the three sub-movements. Here, we need to discuss about his opinions. He doesn't agree with the utility. So according to him, there will be no this 60 or 70 thought movement. He agreed with that. But sub-movement, in the case of sub-movement, we do not have those such movement. If we say, 70 thought movement, we multiply by 2 only, not by 3 anymore, because there is no present moment, existing moment. There are only arising moment and dissolution moment. According to him, if the general opinion is 70 thought moment, or the 51 thought moment. But for him, only 34 thought moment instead of 51. So if someone, according to Asian commentator, 60 plus 1, that means 49 sub moment. But according to Mulatika, if someone takes 60 plus 1 sub moment. So if you measure according to sub moment, you have 49. But according to him, there is no 49, only 33. No, 33. 32 plus 1, 33 sub moment only. The lifespan of the rupa could be 34 or 33 sub moment only, not 51, not 49 sub moment. According to him.
Okay. Yes.
So if we take exactly 60 thought moment, the lifespan of the rupa are 60 thought moment. So that the sub moment, the lifespan of the rupa, the counted is sub moment. We have only 32 sub moment.
Yes.
So when we say 70 thought moment or the 60 thought moment, 60 thought moment plus 1, he's talking that he talk a general way. He refer to there is a moment. But here, according to him, even though he did not say anything, if we call the last way of the rupa according to sub moment, so the sub moment is lesser than the sub moment counted with the 3 sub moment.
Yeah.
So we do have here Sankata Lakkhana Sutta. Related to that, here the many did not agree with Mulatika. Even Mulatika cites many sutta. Here he cited the Lakkhana Sutta in order to deny that. He cited Yamaka, the Yamaka, Chaita Yamaka, in order to deny Titikana. He also quoted Suttanta. So he described his opinion of the titi there. The word titi, titasa anyatata panyayadi. So how about the other? How about the other opinion? Tika. So we have the Tika Ankuntara Tika there, Sakata Lakkhana Sutta. Here Upada Ewaya are mentioned there. So Upada, he referred to Upada, Waya referred to Banka. So Tita Sati Upadakanato Oda, Tita Kanapatasa. So the Tika or the Angodra Tika, Agodra Nikaya Tika, agree with the Titi here. Upadakanato Oda, Titi Kanapatasa. So Titasa referred to the movement. There after arising moment. That means he agrees or he accepts Titakana. He accepts Titakana. So that Titakana changed to Jara. Titakana change to Jara. That is the changing process there. Titasa Anya Tata Panyadi. Titasa that titi, the present moment change to Jara before Marana. See, that change to Jara before Marana. So someone said here, Yepana, he said, some said, Sankarana titi natiti wadandi. There is no present moment of the Sankara. Someone said, is a damacha. That opinion is wrong opinion. Dika, Sayuta Dika, the said, there is wrong opinion to accept there is no titi. That means he agree with the titi moment, present moment. When someone said there is no present moment, he said that opinion is wrong opinion, not acceptable. That opinion is not to be accepted. He disagreed with the opinion of there is no titi. He also said, you see, openly, that is wrong opinion. See?
So you know who wrote the Tika of the Sankyutta?
Sayutta Tika, the Tika here is the Pali, the name of the author is not clear. But related to Tika, there are two Tika, the Dhammapala, Mahadhammapala, Chula Dhammapala. So when we talking about the Tika here, we will refer it to the Chula Dhammapala. Anutika Chula Dhammapala. Mulatika Chula Dhammapala. So Anutika may be Mahadhammapala. So two Dhammapala, Dhammapala Ajariya, they say, two Dhammapala. So it's not clear with the, the Dhammapala, we say, when we talking about Tika here, find the Tika.
So you know, for the Sankyutta Nikaya, we also have Mulatika and Anutika.
Not Mulatika, only Tika.
Oh, yeah.
Only a Abhidhamma, we have Mulatika, Anutika.
Yeah.
The other, the Tika, only Tika there. Like Silakhanda Abhinava Tika, Sayutta Nikaya Tika, something like that. So they use Tika there. So for example, Dukkha Tika, Dukkha Chitokka Nipada Tika. Only Tika there. Though no Anutika, Mulatika. Only Tika. Anutika, Mulatikas to be found only a Abhidhamma.
So yeah, please go ahead, Sayali.
So Sarah, I found in the Ananda Sutta mentioned like Tita sa anya tata dandi. So they just mention Upada Khanda do anya tabawo. They didn't mention in the Ananda Sutta. They also mention about this.
Ananda Sutta.
Yeah.
Titasa Anyatata Panyadi, the explanation of the sentence?
Yes, they just mentioned Titasa Anyatadandi Upada Khanado Anyatabawo Panyayadi di Upanapati. Yeah.
Yes, if we say the Upada pro Upada to Banka, yes, there is Anyatata. Anyatata pro Upada to Banka, Anyatata. What we say here, Titasa Anyatata Panyadi. This Tita, some things, you see, Titikana, something, not Titikana, that is the process of the Dhamma. The process, the changing process of the Dhamma. The changing process of the Dhamma is clear. Not the excessive moment, the changing of the excessive moment. So we had different opinions. So if we say Upada Anyatata, so the pro Upada to Banka, but the Titi Anyatata in this case, Titi is Titi. So as Titi is so paused, so it cannot be it's not to be known, or it's not obvious, you see, to understand the changing of the Titi. That's why he thinks there is no Titi. There is only Upada Ibanga. Titasa Inyata. Titi here, he referred to Saditi deity. The existence of the continuity, Saditi. The existence of the process. Adana, Saditi. We say Saditi, the process. Just as I explained to you just now. So there are two kinds of Saditi. Titi, two kinds of Titi. The existing moment is also Titi. The continuity of the process also is called Titi. But according to Mulatika, Titi here referred to the Saditi deity. That's why here Titi does not refer to Titikana, it refers to Saditi deity. That's why there is no Titikana. It both Nama and Rupa, no Titikana, only present the only Rasa dissolution.
Hi, Sayadaw.
Mm-hmm.
So in that sentence, the highlighted sentence here, what is eka, Sayadaw? Tasewa ekasa. What is eka, Sayadaw?
Ekasa from one to another. Ekasa anyatata bhavato. From one, the sakada to another. So that means only the process is the obvious. The one from one the Dhamma to another, the changing of from one Dhamma to another Dhamma. It's not obvious.
From one to another.
The ekasa here, ekasa anyatata bhavato. So the ekasa, as there is no the changing of one to another. So this changing, this anyatata must be referred to the Sanditi deity, the anyatata or Sanditi deity. Titi, sorry, Sanditi deity.
Okay. And then Sayadaw, that is like in Sayadaw's book, it is also Nana Sakka Wattunti. I said Nana Sakka Wattunti.
Yeah, yes. Two
so we have
negative sets.
So we have to add one na into Sakka, another na into Wattum.
Oh, no. Nawatu Nasaka. Nawatu Nasaka. Nawatu not to say. Nasaka is possible. Not to say it possible, me, it is possible to say.
Yes, but then here, so you know, you look at the in the application, it is Nana Sakka Wattunti. So is it also it is like that in Sayadaw's book?
Sorry?
No, Sayadaw, so if you look at the thing that you're sharing, the highlighted. So
yes.
It says Nana Sakka Wattunti. So is it
Nana Sakka
also,
Wattunti? Yes.
So it's not Na Wattum Nasaka, so you know.
Sorry, yeah, yes. Nana Saka Watto. Watto Nana Saka. Watto Saka. That is the regular meaning we say Watto Saka. Here Watto to say Nana Saka possible. To na. So we need to connect na Saka. Na a nasaka. Not one word. Nasaka, one word. Not nasaka means saka.
Okay.
See?
So, Seattle, why is the commentator the sub-commentator notice Nana Saga is equal to Saka?
No, in Pali, you see two negative set equal to positive. Two negative set means positive everywhere in Pali.
Yes, yes, I know, but if it's like a Nana Saga is we can say
Maybe he
Na
want to
Saga.
emphasize. He want to emphasize, you know, this case. He used Nana Saka. But he can also say Saka Wato. He can say. But Nana Saka Wato, that means no, it does not mean not able to not possible. It does not mean it's not possible. You want to emphasize, you know, you want to emphasize something there.
So Sarah, your book in the Ekasa Anyathata Bhavato, there's a Bhava there.
Anyatata Bhavato, Abhavato. Anyatata Abhavato. So the Bhavato, when you see Bhava, in front of the Bhava, if there is plural number, so that means Abhava. So if there is singular number, there is Bhava. Anyatata Bhavato, if there is Anyatata Bhavato, here Anyatata Abhavato.
So that means because there is no changing of that TT into
Yes,
another.
yes. So here Ekasa, Tasewa Ekasa referred to the moment of the Sagata Dhamma. The Sagata Dhamma, that means one Sagata Dhamma cannot change to another one. For example, the Jeda cannot change 2 times. You know, there is some movement there is some movement. So Titi movement cannot change to another Titi movement. That means so a single Sankata Dhamma cannot change to another one. It can change from one to another one only. One itself, a single Dhamma itself cannot change to another one. That is the meaning. Itasa Tasewa Ekasa Anyatata Bhavato. That means only a single Dhamma cannot be, only a single Dhamma itself cannot be changed. That means one can be changed to another one. For example, the Bhaga Chalana Bhagupachira, Bhaga Chalana change to Bhagupachira. Bhaga Chalana itself cannot change, cannot be changed. That is the meaning. That's why when we take Vipassana, when we contemplate all the Dhamma, a single Dhamma, we cannot contemplate as anicca, only one. But when one change to another one, you can say anicca there. You understand what does it mean?
Yes, Sarah.
Tasewa Ekasa Anyata Bhavado. That refer to the single Dhamma. Itself cannot be changed. If a single Dhamma is changed, it's no more, you know. It must be another one already. But here, a single Dhamma itself if you think that is Titikana, that will mean a single Dhamma is can change there. The changing of a single Dhamma is obvious. It will mean so. But it is not possible because a single Dhamma is cannot be changed. Only the whole Dhamma will be changed to another Dhamma. You understand what he said? What he means? That is his meaning. That's why he doesn't agree with the Titi. Titasa anyatata panyadi. This Tita does not refer to the existing moment of the Dhamma. So this is the existing of the continuity of the Dhamma. Sasti, the process of the Dhamma. Projaku Vinyana, Jaku Dwara Wuti to Soda Dwara Wuti. Projaku Dwara Wuti to Manodwara Wuti. Manodwara Wuti to Manodwara Wuti. That is the sanctity. The changing of that sanctity is obvious. You see, the changing of the Titikana is said cannot be changed not to another Titikana. That means Titasa Anyatata Panyayadi does not mean that the Titi. Titi itself cannot be changed, Titi just only once a moment. That once a moment cannot be changed to another nature. It is not also clear. That's why he thinks the Buddha doesn't refer to Titikana. The Buddha refers to the process of the continuity of the process. That continuity of the process is obvious to understand. The changing of that continuity is obvious to understand. The changing of Bhanga Abhi Titikana is not to be known. It's not clear. That is his opinion. That's why he doesn't agree with the Titi. He agrees with only Upada e Bhanga. Got it?
So that means he agrees the Nama and Rupa they have only two moments, Upada and the Bhanga,
Yes.
right?
Yes. This is Mulatika. But the other, like Anutika, also does agree with that. Anutika, we have Anutika there. Because the mention here, Satiti Jarata Jadi Saprejitapa Medan. So Jarata, Upaja Sandidi Jarata Anejata. The Dadukata also, the Buddha used Jarata Anejata. The Abhidhamma, Dhammasangani also, Upaja Sandidi Jarata Anejata. So Jarata can be referred to the Titi, Anutika. Anutika does agree with Mulatika. Anutika agree with the Titikana because the Buddha used the word Jarata. Jarata referred to the Titi. Upaja Sandidi, the other same moment. The Jarata, the existing moment. The existing moment to the decay. The Anejata decay there. So the Jarata, as the Buddha used the word Jarata. So that's as the Buddha used the word Jarata, there must be Titikana. Yamaka, he also continued here. Yadi Iwakasama Pali Titikano, now what Dodi? Winnie Yaja Sayanu Rodina, Naya Dasana was in a Pali Gadadi Wuditapo. He said, according to the desire of the listener. The desire of the listener, that is the Deva, the Deva a Brahma, their desire, you see, is to Upada a Bhanga only. They do not have desire, you see, to listen to the Titi. According to the desire of the listener, the Buddha used only Upada a Bhanga instead of using Titi there. That is Anutika. Anutika get two reasons. Satiti Jarata Jadi Saprejita Meta. So Titi should be defined as Jarata. Another reason, because of the sign of the individuals, the Buddha used Upada in Bangakana only, not using Titikana. That means that generally Titi is accepted. Even Mulatika cites some of the references to prove there is no Titi, but many or mostly agree with the Titi, accept the Titikana. So Anutika also accept Titikana, citing Jarata, Anejada, Upaja Sadidi Jarata, Anejada. Jarata refers to Titi. Then, why the Buddha did not mention Titikane Edi Yamaka, because the Buddha, you see, the according to the desire iteration of the individuals, the Buddha did not use Titikane. The Buddha used only Upadekane, Bhagakane only. Okay.
Okay,
Any
so
question?
I haven't read Anutika yet, but did he say anything about the lifespan of the rupas, according to him?
Yes, he did not say. He just explained the Mulatika for related for that. He did not say anything.
Yeah.
He did not say anything. So you can read there, even the Pajadasa, Direka Pajadasa, he just explained Mulatika. He did not say anything about his opinion. But related to the Bangakana, he should say his opinion here. Sorry, Titikana, whether there is Titikana or not. But he agreed that there is Titikana. So he explained, he gave two reasons here. Rupasa Upado, Upajosa Dididi Bededwa. So Rupasa Upaja, he said, the Upaja Sandidi. Upasa Upajo Sandidi, that is Upada. Charada, that is Titi. Anijada, that is Bhanka. So many also accept the Upada Titi Bhanka. So we always talk Upada Titi Bhanka. Everyone also talking about Upada Titi Bhanka. But in the Pali, there will be no Upada Titi Bhanka. Or you will see Yamaka, no Bhanka, no Titi. But in Sutanda, Titasa Inyatata, Panyayadi, but that Tita also, he has explained already. It is not possible for the single Dhamma itself to be changed to another nature. He explained like that. So he denies, he rejects the existence of the Titikana. Any question?
Now, Seattle. We have to read again.
Very good. So reading and thinking, you see, thinking about this, very good. So we have the thought before, Now I also have to think with you. So
Yeah,
I have a chance to discuss with you.
Yes, I would love to know more about the Atita Bawanga.
Yes, I will find it. You see, I never think about that before. Never think about that before. So we need to search for the Adita Bwanga, whether there is Adita Bwanga. If there is Adita Bwanga, so we can get, you see, 70 thought moment. We can compare, all the books. So there we can take the last part of the rupa exactly. So I will find more, you see, information. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for listening. let's conclude our class. Buddha Sasana Jira Detetu. Buddha Sasana Jira Detetu. Buddha Sasana Jira Detetu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Thank you so much, Sayadaw.
Thank you, Sayadaw.
My pleasure. Take care of yourself.
Take care, Sayadaw. See you tomorrow, Sayadaw.
See you tomorrow.